Welcome to Tech Revolt, where the future of food meets innovation. Dive into the world of cutting-edge food processing technologies that are reshaping what we eat. Stay tuned as we uncover how technology is revolutionizing the food industry. Conveyor belts have transformed chocolate, donuts, and confectionery production, infusing each treat with rich chocolate flavor. From assembly to indulgence, these machines have delivered perfection and efficiency every step of the way. Embrace the artistry of automation, where every chocolate product comes with its own shape and flavor to tell a delicious story. Automated cookie production line, improving efficiency and reducing labor. Thanks to fully automated production lines, massive volumes of delectable sweets and confectionery treats are produced within seconds. Assembly lines to produce your favorite cookies. Witness robotic precision as they swiftly pick and package each unit with care and efficiency. Packaging solutions aren't just efficient, they're intelligent too. Equipped with advanced sensors, they ensure the proper count and quality of each finished product, guaranteeing a flawless experience from start to finish. What is your favorite chocolate? Let us know in the comments below. This section is for meat lovers. Discover the precision of portioning and tray packaging lines. Ideal for various meats like beef, poultry, and pork, these lines ensure efficiency at every step. From slicing to sealing, experience consistent portioning and packaging, optimizing production and quality for every meal. Salami slicing and packaging became an easy task with this machine. Pork deboning solutions using the chine bone saw from Front Maytech for a high yield and at a high capacity. Additional pork cutting technologies also available on the market. This machine is multifunctional and can be used across various applications. While ensuring hygiene and prevision, it picks up items and loads them into trays. Experience the power of high-speed meat slicing and packaging machines. Versatile and efficient, these machines revolutionize meat processing across industries. From delis to large-scale production, their speed ensures seamless operation, while precise slicing and packaging Meat portioning and packaging guarantee consistency and quality. With vast product applications from beef, pork, and poultry. Embrace the advantages of speed, precision, and reliability with every package. Picking and loading machines have been widely used across the food industry and for a variety of product applications, offering efficient and hygienic packaging solutions. What is your favorite type of meat? Comment in the section below. Welcome to the heart of egg processing in large-scale manufacturing facilities. Starting with egg collection systems, capable of gathering thousands of eggs per hour with unparalleled efficiency. Watch how eggs are delicately handled and swiftly transported for processing and packaging. But the magic doesn't stop there. Egg cracking systems have been also widely used to crack and separate eggs, providing a crucial ingredient for countless recipes and applications worldwide. If you are fed up peeling and slicing your fruits, then this is a machine you might want to buy. With advanced sensors, the fruits are gently peeled and sliced while ensuring consistency. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to show some love by commenting, liking, and subscribing. Until next time, take care and keep exploring our Tech Revolt insightful content.